Hello and welcome to Unlock English Podcast. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, I want to help you start learning English in a way that feels easy, natural, and enjoyable. If you're a beginner, or if you felt frustrated before, you're not alone. Many people feel nervous when they start a new language. Maybe you've opened a grammar book and felt it was too much. Maybe you've tried to memorize long lists of words, but they just disappear. If this sounds familiar, take a deep breath. You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share a new plan. It won't make you feel tired or bored. It makes English part of your real life, step by step. Imagine this. What if you could learn English just by doing small, easy things? What if you could remember new words without any stress and actually enjoy the process? That's what we're going to do together. Here's the first secret. Don't try to learn everything at once. Instead, focus on one simple topic. We call this theme-based learning. For example, this week's theme is food. Every day, you learn a few food words, or write a simple sentence like, I eat rice, or I like apples. Next week, you can choose a new theme, like home or family. This way, your brain makes strong connections. You'll remember more without feeling confused. Let's try it together. Imagine your theme is food. On Monday, you learn bread, rice, and chicken. On Tuesday, you add apple and banana. On Wednesday, you listen to a story about shopping for food. By the end of the week, you can say, I eat bread for breakfast. Or, my mom cooks chicken. You're not just memorizing words, you're using them in real life. This method is powerful because it's simple. You're not jumping from topic to topic. You're building your English step by step, like building a house, one brick at a time. And every week, you get a little stronger, a little more confident. Now, let's talk about something powerful. Your emotions. Your feelings are a secret tool for learning faster. When you feel happy or excited, your brain pays more attention. That's why you remember a funny joke or a touching story, even in another language. So, how can you use emotions? First, connect English to things that make you feel something. Watch a short video in English. Feel the moment. Notice the faces, the voices, the music. Let yourself feel the happiness or the sadness. That emotion will help you remember the words and story. Second, listen to music in English. Songs are full of feelings: love, hope, sadness. Find a song you like and try to sing along. If a part gives you goosebumps, that's the magic. That feeling helps you remember the words. Third, read simple stories in English. Stories are powerful. They are full of emotions. A short story can make you feel curious or inspired. When you feel something, your brain remembers better. So read for the feeling. Here's a simple tip. Talk or write about your own feelings. You don't need big words. Just say, I feel tired today, or I am happy because it's sunny. When you use English for your feelings, it becomes personal. It becomes part of you. You're not just learning a language, you're living it. Remember, learning English is about your heart, too. Connect your feelings to your learning. You make English a part of your life. That's how you grow, step by step, every single day. Now let's talk about a secret. Small, daily practice. Many people think they need to study for hours every day, but short, simple moments are much more powerful. Just a few minutes, several times a day, can help you learn faster. Let's look at some examples. In the morning, when you wake up, say one sentence in English. Maybe, I feel sleepy, or the sun is shining. When you brush your teeth, think, I am brushing my teeth. At breakfast, name your food in English. These are your first English moments. During the day, look for more small chances. Maybe you're walking to the bus stop. Name what you see. There is a red car. The sky is blue. I see 3 people. If you don't know a word, look it up later. Every small moment counts. At lunch, try to think in English. I have rice and chicken. I am hungry. Even a few words are practice. Before bed, think about your day in English. I worked today. I called my friend. I read a book. These small moments add up. Soon, English will feel more natural. Here's why this works. Your brain learns best with short, regular practice. When you use English in real life, even for a minute, you make strong connections. You're not just studying, you're living with English. It becomes a habit, and habits are powerful. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word. Just use the English you have every day in small ways. Over time, you'll see big results. You'll feel more confident, and English will become a natural part of your life. Now, let's talk about how to make English truly yours. Connect it to your world. Many people use a textbook or an app. But the best way to remember words is to use them in your real life. Look around you right now. What do you see? Every object and action is a chance to practice. Let's try it together. In your kitchen, can you name 5 things? A cup, a spoon, a plate, a chair, and a window. If you don't know a word, that's okay. Just look it up. One new word at a time. Soon, you'll know many. Now, step outside. What do you see on your street? A tree? A car? A dog? Or a bus? Say the words in English. The important thing is to connect English to your real world. You can do this with people, too. Talk to a friend or family member. Try a simple English sentence. Maybe say, "Good morning," or "How are you?" If you feel brave, describe your day in English. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about making progress, step by step. Some days will feel easy, and some will be hard. That's normal. What matters is that you keep going. Celebrate your small wins. One new word today is a victory. One sentence is progress. Thank you for joining me, Alex, on Unlock English Podcast. You are not alone. Every small step you take matters. Keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. You're doing something amazing. I'm proud to be part of your journey.